Did you know that there is a place on the planet where ships and planes disappear without leaving a trace? Welcome to the scariest enigma in the ocean, the Bermuda Triangle. An enigmatic area that has disconcerted scientists, pilots, and sailors for decades. Here, the compass can go crazy and storms arise from nowhere. It's as if time and space were playing with the rules. Is there really a portal to another dimension, an extraterrestrial technology, or simply a natural phenomenon that we do not understand yet? The next time you approach the Bermuda Triangle, make sure you have an evacuation plan. Science attributes these accidents to the concentration of natural phenomena, such as methane, currents, and giant waves of the Gulf, and mainly to magnetic anomalies. But none of these factors are really confirmed. Can you imagine the theories, paranormal phenomena, extraterrestrials, and numerous minds? Maybe they are not. If you liked this video, don't forget to comment.